what would you say is the recipe of your success? What is one parting thought that you'd like to leave people with before we end this episode today?
I think the recipe for anyone's success is around learning. If you think of yourself and your value today as like you're 1.00, you are a good and a whole contributor and a person. And you're not learning, you're still going to be the same kind of a person tomorrow and the day after and in a year. Versus if you compare to yourself to the idea that what if you got 1% better? That tomorrow you were 1.01 of today's you, and in a year that would mean that you're 37.8 of the previous year's you. I think that attitude to learning is what contributes to anyone's success. And we don't need to learn about the same things. All of us have our own path on what we learn. But we all need to learn and figure out what is it that is important to us.
That was beautiful. It's like compounding. The knowledge that you gain keeps compounding exponentially, and it's always going to stay with us. Thank you so much, Maaret. It was wonderful talking to you in this episode.